like, how to say,
Oh,
she is a talented one, so I was talking with her for some suggestion and everything, because now she is here in Denmark. She is doing masters. Also, she have a full free scholarship. So I was talking with her about all the things. What should I do? How can she apply on
mm,
everything?
mm. Oh, that's great. She's what career she's doing?
She is also in IT field, and she also come from Bangladesh,
Mm,
and she is also have a job at her university as a teaching assistant. So
mm.
yeah,
Oh, you. That's great. You.
yeah.
Uh, eh, so did you manage to go through what we did last time?
Yeah, but I think if we go through a quick revision before what we done before, then it will be great for me.
Oh, okay. Uh, mm,
We were doing the VLOOKUP and everything, and I remember the graph and the pie chart.
mm.
Days we was doing last time.
Oh, so what do you want to start? Is it okay if you start on the VLOOKUP or?
Maybe we can do a look, quick
Oh,
revision. I mean,
all right, okay.
yeah. So
Uh,
how about your other class? What about your new Excel class? When are you expecting to start with them?
mm, we will be doing them. We will be doing the classes at around 6 from
Mm-hmm.
7. Yeah. Yeah. Even some of the students that we're doing Python, they will be joining Excel because we finish our Python basics now.
Okay.
Yeah. So I have a new, there's a new teacher there that has joined us. He will be teaching them Python at around 4.
Sorry, I didn't get it. Can you please repeat again?
Yeah, I said there is a new friend of mine who is there on the group. I think she'll be taking them for Python lesson at 4.
Oh,
Yeah. Yeah, I should be taking them. Yeah. Okay, so uh, we set the VLOOKUP. We have
can we check uh can we see the graph and the other stuff also?
oh, okay, okay.
Just show me, then I can remember. I think
So,
because it's a almost a long time and I was lost.
all right, okay. So let me
Yeah.
just see if I can see. What was this song? Yeah, it was this song.
So I can find the Excel sheet or like any data sheet like this one. Then I have to work with this
Yes, yes.
because
Eh,
I searched for some data sheets to practice in online, and they give me like a lot of data sheets, and I was confused. What to do with these? These are so long.
we uh, you can tell me like, okay, okay, you know what? I can give you like yeah, I can try to get a data for you, then I'll send you.
Yeah. And the thing I forgot where to start. Where can I start for the VLOOK? Where to merge and everything. That's why I asked you to revise them again.
All right, okay. Okay. Yeah, so okay, so now last time we spoke about the pivot tables, we spoke about the graphs, how to create graphs. So the quick one is okay. Here we said the first thing we will do is to say control to highlight everything, and
So
then
what we are doing now?
we are doing the pivot tables and the graph, how to create a
Okay.
graph. Yeah.
So in pivot table, we just to have select one, then we have to go to insert,
Yeah.
then insert pivot table, then we have to click in the sheets anywhere. And I have a question: if we have a sheet like full of data, then
Mm.
where can we just insert the new pivot table?
Uh, can you repeat again?
Now we have data for four row, and
Mm.
so if I wanted to create a new pivot table and the data is more than this, like the whole page is full of data, then
Mm.
where can we uh, exert the new pivot table?
Yeah, you can like the data is all over here.
Yeah.
Oh, now that's in that case, you won't use the Excel. Like for example, let's say we have this date. Date is so this is a big data. This one. It was a project that I was working on. I was given by another. Okay, no. Like maybe for example, mm, no, this is not the.
Just think like this one is full of data, this
Oh
page.
yeah, I see.
So
Yeah. No,
so
you left to use what is called Power BI. You'll use Power BI. Power BI is used to visualize or analyze a big amount of data. Like let me show you like an example of Power BI. Documents.
down there. The
Yeah,
last one, Power BI.
yeah, oh, Power BI, yeah. Yeah, okay. This was the project. It was like, it was about 3,000 rows. Yeah, it was a lot of data.
What is absenteeism?
It was absenteeism was this was the project that another company gave me
Okay.
to see like how who were how many people in the company has been absent for the whole month. Yeah. Like maybe they will count, like you see where you are working, maybe they will be writing, okay, how many days in a year have you been absent. So that data now I'll visualize it like this. If the data is too much, like it is all over this place like this on Excel, on
Yeah.
Excel. So we cannot visualize it here. Excel cannot hang a large amount of data. So we will use Power BI. So there's an app called Power BI. Power BI, let me show you. It's one of the apps that I teach. It is very important to know if you are in a if you're in data analysis.
Yeah.
Okay, let me show you Power.
Because I just think that if someone give me um, to do a data analysis about a page of that about a page, and they
Mm.
want to me to do data analysis, so I cannot do the whole thing in the same page. I have to select a new one to show them that I have worked and I have given them the right information what they are asking for. So this is important to know that
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
also I cannot do in same page. So what can I do in that case? Because now I'm just learning, so I can do in the same page.
Okay, yeah, yeah. Okay, let me see. Okay, Power BI. Okay. Mm, okay, my laptop is a bit slowly today. I don't know why. Power BI, Power BI, Power BI. Mm,
And I have a question like,
okay.
is your portfolio is working like your CV or
Yeah,
activity portfolio?
yeah. The portfolio is working. It's working like a CV, but
But if we search for a job and we apply for a job, then we have to give them our CV. So can we also give them our portfolio, or just CV will work?
so mm, in a portfolio, you put it inside your CV. So maybe, for example, inside your CV, you can put it. You can see under the social media, or maybe under context. Then you can
Mhm.
put your link there, like your website link, and then the company will just click in that link. If
Oh, okay.
yeah, then they will see all your projects inside. So
Mm-hmm. That's
you see,
great.
yeah, yeah. So Power BI look like this. This is an icon for Power BI, and
It's like it's like network, small
yeah,
to big.
yeah. You see, if you notice, maybe this one. Uh,
Yeah.
this data, if you notice, even though, let me see. You see, maybe if you have like 3,000 rows, the company is telling you to analyze maybe 3,000 rows. You can use Power BI because it can handle a lot of data. You can visualize a lot of data. But Excel is not a good option. Mm, it doesn't want to show this picture now. Okay. And, yeah. Okay, but if you notice, maybe let's see this one. And then I download. Yeah, even though it is not really that close, but let's see. Okay. Mm, okay. Okay, it doesn't want to show us this picture for now. But yeah, if you notice, maybe just on this small picture here. Okay, this picture here, if you notice, this data here is a lot of data. In Excel, you cannot visualize all these things here. So if you notice, this is one of the data that has been summarized, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. But when you get there, you will understand better, yeah, when you get to Power BI. So we have Power BI and Tableau. Tableau is also used for analyzing a large amount of data. Large amount of data. Good. Okay, so yeah, Power BI. Okay, so we said here we do like this, then I say Control A, then you say T or insert.
Yeah.
Okay, you tell me where to go.
Okay. To insert,
Okay,
then pivot table.
okay, uh,
Why they are not showing any option?
okay, it's coming. Yeah,
Yeah. Then existing worksheet,
okay.
and then okay. We
Wait,
can select.
wait. Okay,
Then we have to select in the right side which one we want to take. Uh, we can take a student and their assignment mark and exam.
okay, okay.
And in the row table, we can change the name. Instead of row table, we can give the student name.
Oh, okay.
And I guess I remember if we want to remove the grand table, the grand total, then we have to select it and we have to remove that one, like the total one. Yeah.
Okay,
Double
wait,
click on this one.
double click.
My one is double click. Your one is right click, I guess.
Okay, let's see.
Uh,
Eh?
Maybe remove grand total. Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Hey, okay. So what did you all say? Because you know now.
Yeah, then can we just move to the VLOOKUP? How can we start with the VLOOKUP? I forget the process.
Okay, all
Because
right.
in the VLOOKUP, as you show me, there was different pages. So we are working page, but
Yo,
I forgot how to create the different page at the same time. How to use? How can you came here?
yo, okay. Okay, so last time we were using this one. Said uh, the first thing we want customer profession, and then here there's customer profession. So we
No,
want
no. I was asking for the data will be given like the previous one. Like when we create the people, we have the page with that phase. Then how can we convert to VLOOKUP? How can I show them like this page? There are different type of work. In the left hand side you can show there is name and customer profession, and in the right hand side there are three columns.
mm,
Columns or row, I don't know what. I'm
yeah.
confused. So how can I show them both of them in this phase? And there are something like in the down there are Excel plus insider excerpt from another sheet and a lot of information.
Mm,
Information, a lot of work like data, numbers, approximate errors. Yeah. From that phase, how can I go to that phase? The VLOOKUP phase.
okay. Uh, you're saying we want to use the VLOOKUP here on this date.
Uh, Maybe I can check a little bit.
Like maybe this table is on this place, and then another table is on another place.
Yeah, but how we came here in this phase?
Can you repeat again?
How we came here for from the pivot table to this page to VLOOKUP?
Oh, from the pivot table to VLOOKUP.
Yeah. But
No.
because when I start with the pivot table, I create the pivot table. Then I wanted to came in the VLOOKUP. So how can I convert from that page to this page so I can do the VLOOKUP?
Oh, like okay. We were doing the pivot table here.
Yeah, and I want to do the VLOOKUP. So how can I go there?
And now I want to go to this file. I think the file for the VLOOKUP is separate. This one
Okay.
is only for pivot tables. It's only for pivot tables.
So if I have only one page of data sheets, like
Mm.
they will give me just one page, right?
Yeah.
So they ask me to do, you also have to do VLOOKUP. So how can I start with it? Because now here you are giving me the VLOOKUP Excel sheet, but they are only giving me one sheets of paper, and there is full of information. So how can I convert them? That's my question.
To change this one to be a VLOOKUP,
Yeah.
it will depend on what is the situation like. Because you need to understand like when to use the VLOOKUP and when to use the pivot table. Okay, like for example, let me just use another example. Let's use this one. Dun, okay. Coming.
So when I was trying to do VLOOKUP, so I get confused because you are showing me a like the another sheets VLOOKUP Excel sheet. So I was doing it the normal one and I get confused. Oh, I forgot how to do VLOOKUP. Then I was searching everywhere in the down there option and the upper options and I didn't found that one and I get
So they you know the VLOOKUP you use it when you have, like, for example, you have a lot of, like, for example, you have, like, okay, you have a rows, like you have rows maybe until here, like,
yeah.
for example, maybe they are until 232. Now, you don't want to scroll until you go down, like, okay, it,
Yeah.
okay, uh, you don't want to say, okay, now we want to see, now, let's say they want to see, like, where is the customer ID number 232, and also give us the name that is on 232. So customer ID number 232 with the name. So if you don't want to keep on scrolling, you'll use the VLOOKUP to create a table like this: customer ID and the name. And then you start doing, if maybe, yeah, then you create a customer ID and the name. So then you start by using your VLOOKUP. So maybe the boss will ask another question. Can you give us customer ID number 5? So you don't need to scroll down and check, okay, number 5, and then, oh, it's a new customer, make sure to what was the notes. So you just need to just write here, like, for example, here you say customer ID, and then you say the lookup value is the lookup value. Okay, so we will click here and say the lookup value will be the value, which value you want to look up. So in this case, it will be this one. Then the
So can you show it again?
yeah, okay, you want to take the screen. You want me to give you the screen to show me?
No. Can you please show me again?
Oh, okay.
Existing file, this one, and
Okay. See, you come here, say name,
uh,
then you say this one,
oh,
f of x, and then you see, even if you don't finish here, then you say go, then you say okay. Then which value do you want to look up? So in this case, we want to see the customer ID.
mhm.
Okay, the customer ID is this one. And what is the table array? The table array is this one. And then the table array is the table where where there's a lookup value. Then you see column index number is, we want to return name. So then we will say number 2. So this is how you click. You see already here, it is saying Trace Delicious. Let's see. He's saying name here. Trace Delicious. So do you understand this one?
It was disconnected.
Oh, okay, let's just start again. We'll say,
But if I select the fx, it doesn't show me the VLOOKUP option.
to you it doesn't show.
No.
Or okay, let's see. Okay, just share with me your screen. Share with me your screen. Then
Sure.
maybe solve the problem. Okay, you can share. You can share the side.
Share content. Why they are showing me this option? Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see.
So this is my like Excel sheet, and if I select here, see, I came here.
I don't see your Excel sheet as yet. I still see Microsoft Teams.
Microsoft. Okay, let me search again. Maybe I can share again.
Okay, you can share.
Screen. Maybe now it will work. Hello.
Yes,
Are you there?
yes, I'm here. I don't see your screen now for now.
I'm trying to share it, but I don't know what happened. Oh, I have to select that one. Now I guess it will be shown to you.
Okay, yeah, I can see the screen.
Yeah, you can see here is my Excel sheet.
Yeah,
Now I want to do VLOOKUP. I select here, and there is option.
no. Oh, they go. You see where it says search for the function.
Mm,
Where search on the top there. No, on the top.
okay.
No.
Is financial data and in the top here.
Yeah. Click there. Yeah, then remove those sentences. Yeah.
And then
Then search VL. Yeah, then okay. Yeah.
oh,
Then click OK. Yeah, you see the 80. Yeah.
okay.
Yeah,
And if I select here, it is going directly.
yeah. It will work. Yeah. Go to your file for VLOOKUP and then you will do it.
Okay, now I can continue. Now you can continue.
Okay. You know what I am thinking is that maybe let me start with you on the I realize I jumped with you on the. We will come to the VLOOKUP. Let's start by doing a little bit of a revision about
Yeah.
a little bit of a revision about Excel. So that maybe I think it has been a long time for you to use Excel. Maybe we need to just get some warm ups, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what we'll do is okay. Let's see. I'll use this file here. Then by the time you get to the VLOOKUPs and all these other things, then you will be flexible on Excel. So let's start by using this one. Okay. Don't save.
So how is the weather in Africa?
The weather. It's cold, but there is a sun. I don't know. It's cold. I think it is in winter this side, but it's cold.
Oh, okay. Now we have summer,
Oh,
but it's
sun.
raining all the day. Most of the time it's raining and the weather is cloudy. We
Ah,
see the sun sometime if we are lucky.
mm.
That's it.
But I miss summer. I really miss summer.
So why don't you move to another country? Are you love to stay in Africa or you don't want to?
Hey, Africa is nice. I like Africa. I went to China before.
Yeah,
Eh,
I hear that China are very active and they are very developing in their IT sector and everything. So what do you think about that?
yeah, China is very, very advanced. Oh, so advanced in the ish, they are so advanced. I think they are 10 times more advanced than many countries, like especially here in Africa. Yo, oh, they are advanced. Like they are living in the future.
Oh, then I should move in China.
Yeah, if you go there, there will be.
Then if I get into any travel, then I will get back to another country.
Hey, yeah, no, China is nice. Yo, they are
Yeah,
really.
because you know the influencer I show speed. So I saw
Oh, I just.
some of his video, and everyone they just changed their mind about China because before we used to think that it was not so nice to see the country, and they are developing. We know that, but they are more active in. I thought that they are more active in agriculture and other stuff, but I don't know they are that kind of smart and they are that kind of advanced.
Oh,
So after sure, just
you follow Asha speed.
yeah, sometimes.
Oh, yo, yeah.
He's such a very active, and I don't know what happened to him. I think in his childhood, someone gave him wrong vaccine, or they just
Yeah,
give him overdose. That's why the man is too much excited in every kind of thing, and he is full of energy.
Hey, Asha speed. Hey. Okay. Yeah, China is so advanced in the. Okay, let me just use this. Oh, there it is. Yeah. So China is so advanced in a way that when I went there, we were in a very like the most fastest train in the world, which is
Mm-hmm.
called a high-speed train. So
Yeah.
a train maybe in a distance that can take you like 3 hours. The train can go for 15 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
So it is so fast, and the place is so beautiful. Like everywhere in the streets there's a lights. Like there are lights at night. Like it's very beautiful. The the walls on the, but I'll show you one day, like on our lessons. I'll show you the pictures. I even
Yeah,
have
yeah,
some
sure.
to show you. Yeah.
I will love to see them.
All right.
Because my thought came from senior brother. I used to play PUBG a lot
Yeah.
in the corona pandemic. So I used
Mm.
to hate China because of corona. So
All right.
um, because everyone thought that the other countries, we thought that they eat a lot of like junk food like dog and other stuff which is not halal, you know, and that's why they got like this
Yeah.
corona and other stuff. So
Yeah.
every country they just thought like that. We also thought like that. And one of my brother, he was studying in medicine.
Mm.
He was in China. He was in China.
Mm.
So he told that, oh, I cannot eat anything. I have to go everywhere, and I see dog. They are eating dogs, snakes, and other stuff. We Asian people, we just hate that kind of stuff because uh, we are we we are good in fish, and we
Mm.
just eat chicken, beef,
Mm.
duck. That's our food, and we
Yeah.
eat a lot of fish because Bangladesh is a riverine country. We can easily get fish and vegetables. So
Oh.
he was just telling like this, oh, I don't like eat here, the food is not good. And that's why everyone just keep in their mind that, oh, China is like that country, and everyone think like that, oh, this not a good one. Because when I applied to came here in Denmark, so
Mm.
I was researching about other country. One
Mm.
of my friend, he was also offered me to go to China for study, and I said, no, I will not go to China. they not eat, they not eat good food. I will suffer because I am a foodie person. I love to cook.
Mm.
So I said, no, I will not go there. Because
Yeah.
I also hear that they offer scholarship in for bachelor student and everything. He was also told me that it is if you have low budget, then you can also go to China.
Mm.
Then I think that, oh, no, it's not worthing it because I cannot bear my own expenses there. So who will provide me my expenses in China? It's tough for me. So that's why I just dropped the plan. And now I'm thinking that it would be a great decision if I go to China that time.
China is nice. China is very cheap. Food is cheap, and you can choose the province. Before you go there, you need to search. You need to do a research. Like, okay, me, I went to the province called the Fujian province. So there, like the culture is different on each province. Me, I went in a place like the word Fujian. Fu means sugar. So
Mm.
place around is a famous, or maybe it's full of sugar. Most of the food they eat, they don't put salt. Like how we cook, we put salt, maybe,
Yeah, yeah.
but them they will put maybe sugar. Everything is like sugar, 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 sugar. If you're cooking, pizza has sugar. This one has sugar. Meat has sugar. So that's how they.
Asian people eats a lot of sugar,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So what's
That's why
the,
we die first.
yeah, they are diverse. Yeah, even there are another province as well where they are eating curry. Like there's a lot of curry, and I know maybe you like curry. Do you like curry?
We cannot live without curry in a single day. Like
I know
we
curry.
had curry every day. We eat like rice in our most of our meal, like 2 times. Some people eat 3 times in a day. They eat rice, curry, lentil, then one type of vegetable, and they are all well cooked with a lot of spices. And they also love to eat like sweet.
Oh, yeah, I see you. Eh, yeah, I'll show you like the pictures of the place where we went to. I'll also show you the food, what we ate. Yeah, I'll see.
I didn't
Okay.
take too much picture because I'm not a picture loving person, and but I love to enjoy the moment whenever I go somewhere, whenever I see something beautiful. I love to enjoy the moment.
Yeah, yeah, I like to take pictures a lot, especially if I visit to a place because I want to keep memories. Especially the first day, even when you're in the flight to go to China, we took pictures when we landed in Hong Kong, because we first started in Hong Kong, then from Hong Kong we went to China. We all took
But now I
pictures.
think I should visit China one time, once in a lifetime.
Yeah, and the people there, they are very, very welcoming. But see,
Yeah.
they when they look at you, that's see you as like if you are different. They will look at you in the streets like the first time to see like a person like you. They'll ask questions because most of the people they don't know people from outside. So what they do is they will they will be asking you your hair. Why does your hair look like this? You know, they take pictures with you. You're sitting on the bus, and someone is sitting like maybe next to you. You see the phone maybe underneath their arm. You think maybe they are just playing with the phone, but they are taking a picture of you. Hey, but it's very become like a celebrity.
Wow. Then
Yeah,
when I will be depressed so much, then I will go to China and
must
I will
go to
feel like
China.
celebrity.
Yeah,
I will have a cheerful mind.
you be a celebrate. Everyone wants to take video calls with you. They show their family. Hey, yo.
Yeah.
Okay, let's continue then. We will end up not doing anything.
So is this
Okay.
my homework?
No, you know what? What I'm thinking is that we'll just this is a like the beginning part. Like we'll just start here until we go to the VLOOKUPs and all these other ones because I realize I jumped with you on the bit advanced level of Excel. So let's just start here. Maybe we'll do maybe one, and then maybe we'll do this one. Then maybe and then we'll do another ones on another class. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So after
Yeah.
today, Saturday, Sunday, so will you take the class next class Monday?
Yeah. Maybe Monday I'll take another class.
So Monday, when are you free?
We can do it on the same time.
Yeah, okay, because Monday I am kind of free, so I can do my class whenever you ask me to do.
Oh, you're not going to work.
No, Monday is my off day.
Oh, all right. Then maybe we'll see another time. We'll
Yeah,
communicate.
sure.
Yeah, all right. Okay. So here we have this table here. We have revenue, cost, profit, and tax. Then you have chocolate chips. Oh, and then this one, this one, this one. Now we want to maybe you are working on the sales department or maybe in finance department. Now they ask you
Yeah.
to use a the Excel sheet to calculate the profit, or maybe to calculate the total. And
But
also,
in the profit, there is no information.
in the profits, yeah, there's no information, there's nothing. And on the tax as well, you need to calculate it. And
Uh, I don't want to pay tax anymore.
yeah.
I don't want to pay tax anymore.
Yeah, yeah. So now they will tell you the formula. This one you don't need to remember. They will tell you in your workplace because they know you are coming from the tech background. So you don't need to know all the formula. So what you need to know is that maybe you'll ask the financial the person for finance to say, how do I calculate the profits? Then they'll say revenue minus cost price. So we say, all right, okay. Then now you need to do this here. The first thing you'll do is you say is equal to. Remember when you are writing formulas, Excel, you start by putting it is equal to. So say equal to revenue minus. So this is our revenue, this one. Then say minus this one. Then it is here.
So I have to do this like one by one.
Eh, there is another thing. Now you want to calculate for these ones as well. So you will just click here. You see there's a star here.
Yeah.
You just say, then you click it's done. See, it's already been calculated.
Yeah.
So if I want to double check, I will just say this one minus this one.
So if I have to do like this, then I have to click the profit empty space. Then I have to press the equal button. Then I can do the minus one, right?
Yeah. So let's start again. We'll say is equal to,
Yeah.
then say revenue minus cost. Then you say equals, then is a profit. Then you come to this one. Then you come to this corner here. Then it must show a star. This it mustn't show this star or this star, but it must show this black star. This one. You see the difference of the stars. There's this one, the big one, and then there's this one. This one is normally found on the corners, especially this corner here. Do you see this one? Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, so
Then we
now,
can just click here and we can go to the right,
yeah,
and they will automatically give me the answer.
yeah, yeah.
And
So
what about the text?
did you know how to do this, or it's the first time?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So now we have our profit. Now we need to calculate the total now. So our total we'll say is equal to this one
C
plus
D. Oh.
this one.
Cannot we click all of them like at once? Cannot we select once?
Yeah, we can do, but we need to say sum. Then we can say sum. Then we open the brackets. Then we can just say sum because the sum means, or maybe we
Is it
can.
important to keep the bracket?
No, it's important to open the bracket. You see, if I just write here, it's not it's gonna say like this. You see,
Okay.
Then you say is equal to sum. Or if you don't want to open the brackets, you can just click here, double click, and then it will show the brackets. Then you say,
You know, I just asked because I'm a lazy person. I don't want to select by one.
okay, I see. Yeah, okay. So now you have to close now. Okay, sorry.
If I want to close, then I have to select again.
Okay. If you can just say here and then you have to just close manual, yeah, like this. So okay, you say is equal to sum, then you open your brackets, then you highlight, okay, you highlight and then you close your brackets.
Okay.
Then up to you, if you're still gonna do the same steps, you can just drag here. See?
Yes.
Yeah. Now you want to calculate or you can do this one. Or you can come here, f of x, then you can write sum. I need to show sum. Then then you can just highlight. So you don't need to fill this one. And you see, if you have like a word that is black, you see this one is highlighted with black, which means
Yeah.
this this is the important one. This one is just a it is optional. This one you don't need to use this one. So if it is highlighted with black, it means it is a very important, very it is a must to use this one. So in this case, we won't use the second one. We will only use this one. So we can just say, see already there is 23 here.
Mm.
So yeah, then you can drag. Yeah. So these are the two ways. Now we want to calculate the text now. Now the text is the this is a percentage, the tax rate. It is the profit times the tax rate. So again, you say is equal to, click the profit, then remember times is a star. Then you say times this one, times the tax rate. Then it is like this. So up to you now if you want to do like this.
So how can I calculate the percentage?
The percentage or the tax.
Yeah. The text.
So you say is equal to profit. This is a profit. Then you say times. Times is always in star. You don't use
Yeah.
this one. So just
Yeah, I know.
then you say tax
Then
rate.
10%.
Yeah. Then you say like this. Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah, and so forth and so forth. But I think this one doesn't want to do like this. You see, you can just calculate one by one this one.
So if we go to the total one and we drag down, so it is also show like 0 or the actual one. In the total, we just do the first one, then we drag down
You
and it's
take down,
automatically show the result, right? So
yeah,
if I do same with the and include the text line, so it is also showing me the accurate result or it's
yeah,
also showing 0.
it will show you accurate. If you filled everything, yeah. Like let's put and say times 10. So
Yeah.
it is working. Yeah. Now
Oh.
we want to, this is the total profit now. Now maybe me and you, maybe we are having a business. We are selling, we are business partners. Now we want to split our profits now into half. So we can say 14 divided by 2. So this is a profit. So we use plus, we use multiplication, we use division, we also use a subtraction. So you understand it all.
No, I didn't understand.
Okay. I'm saying to you, we use a subtraction for saying 10 minus 4, then it was 6. That was subtraction.
Yeah.
Then we use 6 times 10 to give out this one, which is
Yeah.
multiplication.
X.
Yeah. Then we use a plus or addition or sum. So say 10 plus 8 plus 5 is equal to this. So the total is the addition or it is sum. So we use so
So
we use
if we want to profit split, then can we do is we have to do to minus the tax one, or we can just divide it from the profit one?
yeah, we can just divide from the profits one. Yeah. So we just say 14 divided by 2. So you just click on this 14 because remember, see, this is a profit. It's a profit for chocolates and oatmeal for sugar cook. So the total of all the profits is 14. So now we have all the profits of our business. Now we want to divide it into two. I want to give you your half. I'm gonna take my half. So we'll just click this box here. Then we say divided by 10. It is 7. 14 divided by 2 is 7. So you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Now we want to to calculate the tax. Yeah, we want to calculate the the tax using maybe okay, maybe like okay, no, okay, let's just make an example like here. Let me just
Mm.
so we want to calculate the tax uh, by multiplying with this tax rate that is on another sheet. So we can just say is equal, we can just say what's happening now? Yeah? Okay, so oh yeah, so we say is equal to, then we say 6 instead of using this 10 now, we're gonna use this one on another sheet. We'll say, we'll say 10, we'll say is equal to 6. Okay, so this something is wrong. That's okay. So we'll say is equal to 6 times 6 raised, then 80. So again, you say is equal to 5 times, oh, sorry, 5
into
we'll say 5 this one times this one. 80. So now you can, now I'm trying to show you how to multiply a data that is on another table with the one on another table. Yeah. So that's one you understand. You understand that one? Hello?
I understand that one, but in this page, uh, can we go back to the first page? Like always working.
This one.
Yeah, I understand that one. We can select the page, and if we want to do the percentage, we can equal them, and uh, we select equal, and then we select the profit, then we select the tax rate, 10%.
Mm-hmm. Then you
Yeah.
say enter.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is how it is. Yeah.
Yeah, so if we want to do here, so we can also do like select the profit on the third page, order of operation.
Yeah, you can also do like this. Yeah. You can even do this. You can even multiply this one with maybe if
Yeah.
maybe it is here. You can even multiply if it is here. Yeah. So it's clear now. That's why. Let's see if we can multiply this one. Let's say is equal to this one times this one times this 10. Yeah. See, it is working.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, what is an order of operation? So, order of operation is a it means it's something that you need to be cautious about, or you need to be careful about. So, you need, for example, you cannot say is equal to 10 minus 4, and then after then, obviously, isn't it 10 minus 4 is 6? So already you say, no, it's 6 already. So let me just, because you are lazy, you don't want to, to wait, you just say times 10. So
But
now,
if we do like this, because as we know, if we work the same work in the bracket, like first bracket, then we will give the priority first, the divided one or the uh, multiply one, then we do the minus one.
yeah, that's great. Yeah. So here we need to put the bracket. Yeah. We need to put the bracket. It will give us, see now the answer is correct now. Let's see.
Yeah.
So that is a note of operation. So this is what actually I want you to know. Like this is
Yeah.
actually where we will stop. Then maybe on another, I'll give you the homework for this one. So
Okay.
so this is the one that you is likely to find in the at work. Especially these are the questions that are normally asked when you are working. So now there is a spreadsheet now. This is the products that you guys are selling in the company. You're selling the cookies, the cakes. So, and this is a chocolate chips. This is it has 97 of sales. The sales are 97. This one are 77 and so forth. Now they're asking you how many cookies sold. So they want the total amount of all of the cookies that were sold. So now maybe they want to see this the available stock. Now you now as a computer science engineer or maybe data analyst, you will say is equal to, now you need to change statistic to answer the business questions now. Now you say, you know how many cookies sold means what is the total?
97.
Yeah,
But can we just press it equal and write the total? Then is it show us the accurate answer?
yeah. So we just say sum, then you'll say click like this, then you close. Then,
Oh, they are asking for the whole soul that.
yeah,
Yeah.
all the cookies that we sold.
Oh, okay. They are different kind of cookies.
Yeah, yeah, they are different kinds. Yeah. Or or you if you are lazy like me, you just come here. Me, I like to use this one. I'll just type some, then it will show, then I'll just highlight. You don't even need to remove this one. You just highlight. You just highlight,
Yeah.
and then you see already the answer is showing here.
Yeah.
Then you say, okay.
But in there we cannot drag them to get the another question because they are different kind of questions. So can we do it like this? Just drag.
No, you can't. They are different kinds. You need to answer them different. So here they are saying most of cookies sold. So which one is being sold the most? So
They sold the chocolate chips most. So can we just do like equal to some bracket max.
you can just say equal to max. Yeah, you can do
Okay.
like, yeah. Then you can say okay.
So I have to give all the information. They will find out by themselves.
Yeah, you need to answer them one by one. Yeah. So they say
Okay.
the list of the cookies, which one I can use?
List is fortune.
Is which one?
The last one, fortune.
Okay. What is the function we what is the function we need to use?
So
So
that one is the max one. That would be the lowest one. So we'll write down lowest. I,
what
I I cannot remember the opposite of max. What is the lowest of max? Lowest?
is
Oh,
minimum?
minimum.
Yeah,
Yeah, got it.
yeah. So then you can just say, see. 36.
Second most.
The second most. What?
Then what can we write there? Second max.
Okay, now I like to use this one. Me, I don't like to use that. You can just come here and say, then you can say the second most is second most, third most, fourth most is always used by large. You just write large.
Okay.
Then large you say go. Then you say voila. Then array is the table, this one.
Yeah.
Then K is the position in the array or cell range of the value to return. So they're saying second most sold. So since it's the most is large, then the second will be two. So this is you put second here. If they're saying the third most, you put 3. If they say the fourth
Okay.
most, yeah. So in this case, they say
Got
second.
it.
You got it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So even here, you can see 77 is the second.
So why we change in the upper one, like the fx function, that is a large one? Why cannot we change in the max one? Why cannot we change like we select the max, then we give the input, then as we want the second most sold, then
We
why we are
can't.
doing this kind of thing?
No, we can't use the maximum because the large is the best. Maximum has no option for the second most. So the the the,
Okay.
the function that they created for those options is large. So it is 77. So then the second least sold. What do you think that will be?
Then we will go to the function,
Hmm?
then we select the upper one, we
Eh,
remove the text.
eh.
uh, what is opposite of the larger one? Minimum.
Is small, large,
Oh,
not
small,
small.
smaller.
So you say small. Yeah. There is small. Then you say
Then we will search for the second small.
yeah. So
We
array,
select the all cookies.
yeah. Array is this one. So what will we put here?
We'll put here two because we are searching for the second small one.
Okay. Okay. So this is the second. This is the least. This is the second. Yeah. See now you can answer questions using numbers now.
Mm.
Okay. Now they
So
say
if I have a question,
yeah.
if you can see here is a sneakerdoodle and birthday cake. They are both 52. So if we search for second least sold, so they are showing us both of them or just one of them, like
It will
they're
just
showing
show
between 52 comma 52 or just 52.
it will just show 52, only 152.
Okay.
Let's try this one.
But if we search for the name of all the name also, then what it will show, because both of them have similar number.
Yeah, it will just see here. If I want the third list sold, see it's only showing 52. So it doesn't. You will see it in just like you'll just see it manually. Like okay, the one that is the third. Like if they ask you to say, if they say the third most, you will also check, okay, oh, the third most is really 52 and is for birthday cake. So, yeah, that's why they don't specify Which one is the 52? Yeah.
Let's see here.
Yeah. Mm.
We don't want the number. We just wanted the name of all the equation in the E column.
Mm.
So instead of number, we want the name. So
Mm.
uh, what we have to, because we do here sum, so we write there sum in the fx function. But if
Mm.
we want the later, then the laters, all the words, then what we have to write.
To change this one to be numbers, to be letters.
Yeah, like they are giving all the equation, all the total, all the base solded, most less solded, everything. So
Mm.
I wanted the name of the most solded and less solded products. Then what I have to write in the function?
It will be a different. You have to use a different formula, which is the formulas we're gonna reach. We'll be using maybe like which is conditional formula functions, you know. So these are the ones you have to use. But
Okay.
yeah, yeah. But for now, you can only use. So I'm just giving you step by step. Yeah. Yeah, you have a question.
No, it's okay. We'll do it later.
Okay. Okay. So now they're saying of
What
cookies.
is hashtag of cookies with say?
Now here the ones the the number of cookies which says they want you to count like okay how many, not total, but they want to know like how many are they which which were sold. Like you need to count them. Maybe they are in the stock. You need to count them one by one. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are all of the cookies that says sales. Sales means they are sold. So so in this case, you can just say you can click here and say count, and then you can write here. Then there are 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So all of them are the cookies it says. They are the ones that we saw. Or you can come here and then you can say count. Go count. Then you just click. Then 7. Yeah. Okay. Then now you want an average now of our sales. An average is a percentage of the performance of our sales. So average is also called a mean, but in this case we have an average. Okay, this is also another place. You see this option formulas. You can also check these formulas here, like here is average, there is sum. These are called auto sum. Like these formulas like sum, average, count, maximum, minimum, they are called auto sum. But these ones are for finance. All these functions here, price, rates, are for the finance. But if and ifs, lambda, all these ones are for are called logical functions, and these are the text functions. But in this case, we are using these ones, the auto sums. Maybe in your interview for Excel, they will ask you a maybe in a multiple choice, they will say some average, some, then they put if. So they'll say, which of the following is an autosum between average and if? So now you know all the autosums, they are these ones, sum, average. So obviously this is autosum. But for logic is if. This is where but you'll understand when you get into the if functions.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the average, so you can also come here and say average, then you click. So we want the performance, the percentage for our sales performance. You see, you just click here. Then okay. So our percentage is 60%. This is our mean of performance. So maybe they will want to use this one to compare the sales of this month with the sales of another month. If maybe another month is saying 5th, then we know that our performance is for that month is very low, because the last month it was 6th. So now we need to see, it's like a percentage, this one.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what is the middle one? The middle one is a median. So say median. So this is a median. So this is the answering questions, business questions with a statistic. So already it is saying the middle number is 52, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, which is 52. This one. Okay. What occurs the most frequent? Which product, which chocolate has been sold the most? Or what occurs the most frequent? Which one comes the most? Okay. Then you can just come here. This one here, you can even write most. This is the only function you can write most, and it will give you mode, exactly what you need to use. Or you can even
So
write
the most mean the max one. But if we
no.
write the
There is a most, and then frequently now is changing the meaning of most now. So
yeah. So if we select here, then we have to select most or most frequently.
okay, I see what you're saying. So okay, so correct that, then we can just say mode. So if we have something that says frequently or maybe repeatedly, you can search for the mode. So you can say mode. So then we have to highlight, and it's saying 52 is coming a lot. So
Yeah.
52, yeah, it's repeating. So this is how you can answer your question. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So if you have any question, I don't want to hold you long because you're going to work. Yeah,
Maybe we can continue in Monday.
Monday, all right. No, it's fine.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, no, thank you.
Can you please send me the homework in WhatsApp?
All right, I'll send you. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you for your time. Thank you for giving me a good class.
Okay.
And take some rest because I ask you a lot of questions.
No, it's fine. I'm here if you ask questions.
if you take class with another student and if I was also there, then they're gonna angry with me because I asked a lot of questions and I talk too much. They're gonna beat me. For sure they're gonna beat me.
Yeah, I don't pity you.
They're gonna hate me in the mind and they say, "Oh, she's talking too much. She's disturbing us."
Don't worry. Maybe they will be quiet, but they are scared to ask.
Yeah.
All right, so we'll
It's
talk.
okay. Thank you for
We'll be late
today.
for
See
work.
you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have
Bye.
some work. I will get ready, then I will run.
All right, okay.
Yeah. Thank you for today. Thank you for your time. Have a nice weekend.
Okay, thank you.
Good
You
night.
too. Okay.
No, it's afternoon.
Okay.
It's my habit because every time when I leave, I just done my work and I leave for home. Then I just told them, okay, goodbye. Thank you for today. Good night. And that's why I just tell you good night.
Yeah, I
Okay,
see.
thank you. Have a
Okay.
nice weekend.
All right.